Today we're standing out in front of what was a 1940s bungalow. This particular homeowner loved the neighborhood, loved the character and the potential of their older home. This is a certified built green home that we have rebuilt from the ground up and been able to transition this old 1940s house into a brand new home registered in 2020.
The house was 70 years old and it was damp in the basement and musty and cold, and we just needed a new fresh space, and it was impossible to keep it clean.
Most people would have torn it down. It would have ended up in the landfill. It was built in 1946 in this historical area. The clients wanted to retain that historical charm of the house. It was a process of renewing all the mechanicals and the structural integrity of the house.
On this particular home, we approached this with more of a holistic approach, looking at everything from the foundations and drainage, the heating systems, the entire envelope as far as what we were going to do as far as new insulation and energy efficiency. And we made a goal to have this home certified built green.
All mechanical systems were moved to the attic to free up space in the basement. As a result, there was room in the basement for 3 bedrooms, including an expanded master bedroom with ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The floors throughout the home are heated, adding to the warmth and comfort of the newly renovated spaces. The new kitchen is now the heart of the home, featuring a 10-foot island with seating for 4. The beautiful custom cabinetry has fully integrated appliances with a refrigerator freezer, dishwasher, and refrigerator drawers seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry.
We went through a process of all new foundations, the slab, and being able to create a better insulation underneath that slab and vapor barrier, new drainage systems, and then basically as we had the whole envelope of the house open, we were able to do a foam insulation of all the walls and including the entire attic space, creating what we call a hot roof. So therefore all the mechanics could go in the attic and then add for additional storage space at the same time. By doing this, we provided a complete envelope, like putting a large insulated blanket around the house. And that combined with high energy efficient windows and doors, we provide this home to be a comfortable, healthy home environment for them to live for decades to come.
I'm really glad we did the reno. There's a lot of gratitude, I think. Gratitude to the My House team for the amazing work that they did. I feel grateful and I feel comfortable here, and I love our new home.